Good morning, students, and welcome back to our digital classroom once again. Uh, I hope that you all are quite well and completing your tasks given by your teachers. Today is our second day of revision of the same chapter, that is data handling. In this class, I like to cover the topic pie chart and probability. So whatever I had shown before, so same thing I will be repeating because there is no any lacunae which I left behind the chapter, and these are the very important area which I covered earlier. So I like to cover those area again quickly, and thereafter I will be solving question from your textbook. Okay, let's see. Circle graph or pie chart. What is it? So when any information, complete informations we represent within a circle, okay, so then that procedure is called circle graph or pie chart. Say, as for example here, time spent by a child during a day. During a day means what? 24 hours in a day. So that means how 24 hours being utilized by a student or by a child. So that had been shown. And it is not like that you can just draw a line and mark it. It is a sleep, homework, others, play and school. No, there is a systematic way, procedure. So how to mark or how to prepare that segment, particular segment for particular type of work. Say here sleep 8 hours. So 8 hours out of how much? 24 hours. So 8 hours out of 24 hours, the part or the area or we can say share will be this mass. Scientifically, it is 100% accurate. So you cannot draw any way the radius and show that it is a sleep. Understood? So it is a scientific way we represent the entire event, part event within a circle. Now how it can be done, I will be showing you after a few slides. So another way, the number of people, defined group of people living in a city. So 50,000 people, 50,000 means what? It is clearly understood. 50,000 means in half of the total. So that's why total circle, half part represent the 50,000 people. Age group is 15 to 60 years. Okay. And then other part we cannot draw as easily. We have to follow certain procedure. 60 years and above, the number of people is 20,000, and 0 to 14 years number of people are what? 30,000. So we have to represent the total number of people within a city with the help of pie chart. Okay, now I will start how actually it is done. Say one information. So percentage it is given the choice of flavor. One census has been conducted in their class. So how they are giving their choice: chocolate 50%, vanilla 25%, flavors 25%. It is also very easy. You can easily draw the pie chart. So, but how it can be done? That is the part. Mind it, whenever we are going to draw pie chart, so four things we have to consider. First, if total part is not given within this information, it is your duty to find out the total part of this event. Okay. After that, individual part, that is called share. That part you have to convert into fraction. Okay. Say chocolate 50%. How can I write down 50% as fraction? 50 upon 100. So it will be fraction. Now they are saying convert into the information to pie chart in terms of degree. Percentage is given, so we have to represent in degree. So 50% means 50 upon 100. If we like to convert into degree, I have to multiply by 360 degree. Okay, then whatever the result is coming, that is for chocolate. Similarly, vanilla 25%, 25% means 20 upon 100. okay, and then multiplied by 360, whatever the result is coming, that will be for vanilla. And other flavors also 25%. Okay, let's see what is the procedure. The items are these: chocolate, vanilla, and other flavors. And individual share is 50%, 20%, 25%, and 25%. So now 50% means 50 upon 100. So if I cut it, I will be getting 1 by 2. If you don't cut, still it is okay. Okay. Now 1 by 2 multiplied by 360 degree, whatever it is coming, 180 degree. 180 degree means half of the circle represent chocolate. Okay. Similarly, 25%. 25% means what? 20 upon 100, and that is after cutting, I am getting 1 by 4. Now central angle. That means items, share, fraction, and central angle. This four part is common. You have to remember when we have to draw pie chart, so these four part we require. And out of this, when we make it fraction, fraction will be individual part out of the total part. Okay, when total part is not given, so then you have to first find out percent. When mentioned, the percent means total is 100. Out of 100, this part are divided in different small part. Okay, after getting the degree, so we will draw a circle, and how we will draw, I will show you later on. And then we have to divide half portion to represent chocolate, and 90 degree means 25% represent vanilla, and 90 degree other flavors. How? This. So chocolate is this. You can add some color, different colors. So here there is no option, I cannot put any color here. So this is 180 degree represent chocolate, and each part 90, and one part is for vanilla, another part. If you are drawing very small circle, then you have to mention the individual part, the name of this item outside the circle, putting arrow mark. Okay, chocolate you can write down outside and put inside a arrow, so it represent chocolate. Other flavor also same way you can do. When there is enough space inside, you can write down that name of that share or name of the item inside also, and degree also. Okay. Now next is, so this question I have taken from your textbook only. Now it will be actual how to draw pie chart. So you see there is a sale in rupees and of different items of baker shops given below. So ordinary bread 320 rupees, fruit bread 80 rupees, cakes and pastries 160 rupees, biscuits 120 rupees, and others 40 rupees. Total is, if it is not given, then you have to add. So total sale is 720. Now this 720 rupees total and individual parts is this, how to show within a circle. That means we have to construct a pie chart. For this, first we have to convert individual share, that is item, then share, then fraction, then central angle. So we have to draw a rectangular box divided into this: item, share, fraction, central angle. Item is ordinary bread, and how much ordinary bread sold? Rupees 320. 320 out of how much? 720. So 320 out of 720. 320 by 720. After cancelling, I am getting 4 by 9. If you do not cancel here, no matter, you have to do it afterward also. So this multiplied by 360. After cancelling, I am getting 160 degree. So ordinary bread sale rupees 320, you will be equivalent to 160 degree within the circle. Okay. Biscuits, its share is 120 rupees out of 120 by 720. Okay. So then after cutting, I am getting 1 by 6, and then multiplying to find out the central angle. 1 by 6 into 360 equals to 60 degree. That means 60 degree refers to the biscuit sold in that bakery shop. Okay. Then cakes and pastries 160 rupees. 160 rupees out of 720 rupees. Always the total will be the denominator. Mind it. 160 divided by 720. After cutting, I am getting 2 by 9, and 2 by 9 multiplied by 360 degree. So I am getting 80 degree. Fruit bread 80 rupees. 80 rupees out of 720 rupees. After cancelling, I am getting 1 by 9. After multiplying, I am getting 40 degree. 40 degree refers to the fruit bread sold in that bakery shops. So others rupees 40. So 40 rupees out of 720. After cancelling, I am getting 1 by 18, and then after multiplying by 360, I am getting 20 degree. But all informations, all type of items sold in the bakery shop, I have converted into degree: 160, 60 degree, 80 degree, 40 degree, 20 degree. So now what we'll do next part, we'll draw a big circle. We'll draw a big circle, and then we have to draw. Always start from the smaller one. So leave the 160 degree. Whatever the part is I have left, that will be automatically 160 degree first to ordinary bake. I'll draw a big circle. Okay. So draw a radius, any radius. Place your protector here. This baseline is this one. This one should be the baseline, and draw 60 degree. Okay. And then again this will be the baseline, draw 80 degree, and this will be the baseline, draw 40 degree. This will be the baseline with place your protector, draw 20 degree, and you will notice that entire part will be for ordinary bread, and put some different colors here. It will be attractive. Now in this case, I have written the item outside. No problem. If you are drawing a very big circle, you can write down this item inside also along with its share, that is degree. Okay. So this is about how to construct pie chart when any information is given. Okay. Now this is a very important part. I told you earlier also. Conversion of pie chart from degree to percent, percent to degree. Very important. It will definitely come in your exam. Okay, I will give you. When this type of conversion is there, first of all, percentage is there. You see a person's his total income, how he is using that total income. It is given in terms of percent and in chart, pie chart, pre-designed pie chart. Okay. Now, question asking you, convert the information in terms of degree. What we will do, I will draw a big rectangular table. Item is house rent, transport, others, savings, clothes, food, and education for children. These are my item. Individual share 10%, 5%, 20%, 15%, 10%, 25%, and 15%. Okay. Now fraction 10% means what? 10 upon 100. After cancelling, I am getting 1 by 10, and then 1 by 10 multiplied by 360, I am getting 36 degree. So 36 degree equivalent to house rent. Okay, 36 degree equivalent to house rent. Now transport 5%. 5% means 5 upon 100. Here the total is 100. Percent means 100. 5 by 100, after cancelling I am getting 1 by 20, and then after multiplying by 360 I am getting 18 degree. Same way others 20%. Others is 20%, individual share 20%, fraction 20 upon 100. After cancelling I am getting 1 by 5. 1 by 5 multiplied by 360 getting 72 degree. So 72 degree refers to others. Savings 15%. 15% means 15 upon 100. Okay, you have to convert into fraction. Item, share, fraction, central angle. Always you remember 4 part: item, share, fraction, central angle. Okay. Clothes 10%. 10% means 10 upon 100. 10 upon 100. After cancelling I am getting 1 by 10. 1 by 10 multiplied by 360 I am getting 36 degree. Now then food 25%. 25% means 25 upon 100. After cancelling I am getting 1 by 4. 1 by 4 multiplied by 360, 90 degree. So education for children 15 degree. 15 upon 100. That is 3 by 20. 3 by 20 multiplied by 360 degree, 54. It is little bit peculiar. So fraction is coming, very minute degree is coming. So mind it, whatever the item will come, that will be exact degree. Maximum 0.5 we can draw. And if it is coming 36.14 degree, I cannot. Okay. So that type of number will also not be given to you. Okay, don't worry. Now I have converted the item which was given in percent into degree. Then same type of pie chart I will draw. Just will change the information name in terms of degree. 1000 earlier it was 10%, so now it will be 10% will be equal to 36 degree. So how will you do it? Draw a radius, place your protector and construct 30 degree. Again make it a baseline, place your protector, make 18 degree. Again make it a baseline, place your protector, draw 72 degree. So again place this one is the baseline, place your protector, draw 54 degree, then 36 degree. So you will notice whatever the left part is there, automatically it will be 90 degree. And then write down the name. If space is not there, you write down the name outside and put arrow mark. After that you should use different type of colors. Okay, it will be very attractive. If you are not putting color, no matter. If you are drawing by pencil, shade it, or you can use oil pastel. Okay, that is up to you how you will design. Okay, now same thing I am giving you. When degree is given and you have to convert into percent. So only mathematical calculation I can show. When I am converting to percent, after that, that percent cannot be drawn as a pie chart, because percent cannot be presented within the circle. It is a pre-design. If pre-design question is there, that is different. Okay, whatever we will be drawing, that will be the what degree only. Okay, now the ordinary bread 160 degree. Others, that is a bakery shop sold earlier. I have done this question. Bakery shop, the ordinary bed 160 degree, others 20 degree, fruit bed 40 degree, cakes and pastries 80 degree, biscuits 60 degree. We have to convert this information in terms of percent. Procedure is same. First we have to draw a rectangular box, define item, share, fraction. Now in terms of percent. Earlier it was central angle. Now just you have to write down in terms of percent. Ordinary bed was 60 degree, 160. 160 degree is calculated out of total degree. Total degree is 360. So 160 by 360. Understood? When it is a percent, percent means 100. That by 100. And when it is degree, so that will be 160 upon 360. Okay. After cancelling, I am getting 4 by 9. 4 by 9 multiplied by 100, I am getting 44.66. Now, is it possible to draw 44.66% within a circle? No. Only mathematical calculation we can show. I am converting the information which was given in degree and converting into percent. That much we can do. Okay. Now, others 20 degree. 20 degree means 20 upon 360. Cancelling, I am getting 1 by 18. 1 by 18 multiplied by 100, I am getting 5.55%. Okay, fruit bed 40 degree, 40 upon 360 multiplied by 100, I am getting 11.11%. Cakes and pastries 80 degree, 80 upon 360, 360 after cancelling I am getting 2 by 9. 2 by 9 multiplied by 100, I am getting 22.22%. Biscuit 60 degree, 60 degree means 60 upon 360. Cancelling, I am getting 1 by 6, 1 by 6 multiplied by 100. It is coming 16.66%. Now, I have converted this information. Now, what we will do, same type of pie chart we have to draw here, and we just convert the information which was given in degree to percent. Look, so earlier it was 160 degree. Now, that will be equivalent to 44.44% or 46%. It will be 66. Okay. Anyway, now here that is the pie chart related one question which I did earlier. Also very important question. I have taken it from a textbook only, example question. So you see within pie chart one survey was conducted about the choice of music. Okay, so 20% people they are favoring semi-classical music, and classical music choice was 10%, folk music 30%, and light music will be 40%. Now, what will be the total number of people surveyed? That is missing, but indirectly they have given one answer. So, the survey was made to find out the type of music that a certain group of young people liked in the city. Adjoining pie chart shows the finding of this survey. From this pie chart, answer the following. 20 people liked classical music. How many young people were surveyed? So young people, what is the total number of people or young people surveyed? That is missing. But 20 people liked classical. What is the classical music? Here, classical music percent is 10%. I don't know the total number of people. Let the total number of young people be X. So how to find out the whole quantity? It is given in your class 7. Okay. So then 10% of the total people X is equivalent to 20 people. So that way we can total number of young people be X. Therefore 10% of the total people X equivalent to 20. 10x by 100 equals to 20, or x is equal to 20 into 10 by 100. Okay, it is coming 200. That means 200 peoples were surveyed. Okay, now which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? So obviously the percent which is more, this is 40%, this is 30%. That means light music was liked by most of the young people. And what is that number? So to find it, so individually we can find out all type of music. So here when total people is given, so now you can find semi-classical music 20% of the 200, classical already have got, folk music 30% of 200, light music 40% of the 200, and we are getting 40, 60, 20, 80. Here light music 80 people, that is the maximum in number. Okay, you can find out that only the light music, or you can find out total people in defined group. Okay, now third question I have not done. It is very simple. You have come to know the different person. 1000 CDs, a company has got ordered to make 1000 CD. Now what way they will be preparing, they will be making that 1000 CDs in terms of their choice. So semi classical music 20%, that is 20% out of 1000. What will be the answer? 200. This way 10%, 10% out of 1000, 30% out of 1000, light music 4%, 40% out of 1000. This way you can find out how many each type of cassette need to be prepared. Okay, now coming probability. What is probability? Probability is nothing, we can define it as a chance of happening. Chance of happening. That means it is not a sure which event will be come up. Say I am tossing a coin. In a coin, what we have? Two chances are there, head or tail. But when you toss it, it is not sure head or tail will come. Okay, that happening, it may be head, it may be tail, but both are having 50-50 chances. That is called even chance. I will tell you later on also that each part probability will be 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 all the time. Okay, but because I'm not sure ki tail will be on the top or head will be on the top. There is a chance ki tail may be on the top, head may be on the top. That is the probability. Probability may be defined as a chance of happening. Clear? What are the different type of chances? You have to know it. Sure chance, individual, that means universal truth, whatever it is, these are the sure chance. Sun rises in the east. Is there any possibility that sun will rise from the west? No. So when the chance is sure, 100%, there is no any alternative, then it is called sure chance. Like sun rises in the east, incidents of high tide and low tide, etc. Even chance, when the possibility of chance is 50-50, like newborn child may be male. If it is not male, then female. So male and female both are having same probability. That means 50-50. So then it is called even chance. Good chance. Good chance is what? When the possibility of a chance is more, but not certain. Probability always is a not certain. Okay, then it is called good chance. Expecting rainfall in a rainy season. Suppose you are in the month of July, that means the rainy season. So you are expecting rainfall. So it is a good chance. In the month of July, the rain may come all of a sudden. Okay, but not sure. It will be a rainy day on that particular day. That's why probability. Okay, odd chance. when the chances is very less but cannot be ignored. Say in the month of December you are expecting a rainfall, so chance is very less, but sometimes torrential rain also there, it may come. Okay, that's why it is called poor chance. Impossible chance, impossible chance means when it is against the nature. Sun rises in the west, is it possible sun rises in the west? So this chance is impossible. Impossible chance always denoted as a zero. Okay, suppose in a dice you have thrown a dice on the floor and you are expecting a number 9 on the top of the dice. Is there any number written 9 on the top of the dice? No. In the dice only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In addition of this number, if you are expecting 8, 9, 10 or whatever the number on the top, it is not possible. In that case, it is what? Impossible chance. Okay. Next, random experiments. When an experiment is conducted without looking it or after shuffling the center part, so then it is called random experience. You don't know what is the answer actually. Say in a bag there are different type of balls, different colors ball are kept and balls are mixed well. You are taking out one by one. That is random. You don't know what color you are taking out. Okay, that is the random experience. When tossing a coin, taking out a card from the well shuffle playing card, etc. Throwing a dice on a board. Okay, these are the called random experience. Outcomes. Outcome means what? Say when a die is thrown on the floor, what are the total possibility? It may be 1 on the top, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5, it may be 6. So total outcomes are 6. Out of the 6, if I expect a 3, what is the probability of 3? Each part probability will be 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, and if we add all the outcomes together it will be 1. That's why we call total probability of an experiment is dash. Sometimes I set question in objective type, total probability of an event is dash, or an experiment is dash, so total probability is 1. Okay, so like you see dice, example is a dice. If I throw a dice on the floor and expecting 1, probability of 1 will be 1 by 6, probability of 2 will be 1 by 6, probability 3 will be 1 by 6, and all will be 1 by 6, 1 by 6. So if you add 1 by 6 times, it will be 1 as answer. Okay. Now probability, the expression of probability, whatever you are expecting on the top, that is your favorable outcome, number of favorable outcome, and what is the possibility of the outcomes, total probability, that is called total number of outcomes. It will be denominator. Okay, and your choice, your liking will be on the numerator. Okay. Now say one die is thrown. List the outcome of an event getting prime number. When you are throwing dice on the floor, what are the prime numbers of the dice? What are the outcomes of the prime number? It may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 5 on the top. So outcomes are 2, 3, 5. Not prime. Those are not prime means 1, 4 and 6 not prime. Number greater than 5. How many numbers are greater than 5? Only one, that is 6. Outcome is the 6, number 6. Okay, number not greater than 5 means 5 and below, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, okay, when dice is thrown this way, you can convert it like this. These are the outcomes: prime number, not prime number, number greater than 5 is the 6. Outcomes are, what are the outcomes? Now when 3 coins are tossed together, this is very important part. 3 coins, one coin's total probability is how much? 2. 3 coins, 2 into 2 into 3. Successive 3 2's you have to multiply, not by adding, by multiplying successively. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2. So if I multiply 2 coins, if I multiply 2 coins, it is 4. If I add 2 coins, it is also 4. But actual condition is we have to multiply it to get the total outcome. So 3 coins when multiplied together, total outcome is 8. How? One coins having 2 outcomes. So then 3 coins will be not 3 2s are 2 into 2 into 2. 2 3 times multiply. Okay. Successively multiplication will be there. Okay. Now Then you see what will be my probability. Total outcome will be this. So now the coin, if we throw on the dice, it may be appear like this. All three will be head, all three will be tail, or two head, one tail, one head, one tail, one head, tail head, tail, head tail, tail head. So these are the behind this you cannot expect any more probability. Okay. Similarly, a letter chosen from the word triangle. What is the total probability of that is vowel? Inside this, which letters are vowel? I, A, E. The total is 3 out of total 8. So total probability will be probability of vowel. Uh, the way of writing probability of vowel is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. You have done it in class 7. So 3 by 8. Okay. Now, in a box of contains 17 cards, 1, 2, 3 marks 17 are mixed, and cards are drawn random. So that means after shuffling, you are taking out one by one from the box, and what is the probability of odd number? So you tell me what are the odd numbers from 1 to 17. So you can write down 1, 3, 5, 6. This way you can count how many numbers are there, the outcomes. Even number. What are even? 2, 4, 6, 8. These are even number up to 17. You have to count. You have to write down. And prime number. So what are the prime numbers from 1 to 17? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. Divisible by 3. Which number are divisible by 3 from 1 to 17? 3. 3 divisible by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. Divisible by 2 and 3. So you have to count 2 also. You have to count 3 also. And number above 17. So is there any number above 17? That box at per instruction given. So what is the probability here? 0. So impossible chance, it is impossible chance. So 0 by 17 is equal to 0. You see how to find out. P odd. Okay. P odd means number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So favorable outcomes, odd number from 1 to 17 will be 9. 9 by 17 is 9 by 17. If cancelling is there, you will do, or if not there, you will leave it. Okay. P even, same way, 8 by 9, 17. P prime, 7 by 17. P divisible by what? 3, 5 by 7, 17. P divisible by 2 and 3. Rule of 3 and 2. Divisibility rule of 3 and 2. So 3 will be 5, 2 will be 8. After adding, I am getting 13 by 17. P above 17. So there is no any number marked above 17. So 0 by 17 equals to 0. Now this is the playing card related questions I discussed earlier also. It is not in your syllabus, but it will be very much essential for class 9th and 10th. But before going to class 9th or 10th, you should have some preliminary idea that will be helpful. So in a pack of playing card, there are 52 cards. Okay, out of 52 cards, that there different names and different condition will be there. Out of 52, see 26 cards are black in color and 26 cards are red in color. And there are 4 types also. This flower like structure is called cloves. This beetle leaves structure is called spade. Heart shaped structure is called hearts, and diamond shaped structure is called diamond. Okay, so each type having 13 cards. Clear? These are called photo card. J, Q, Q and K photo card. Each type having 3 photo card, and I have 4 types, so total will be 3 4s are 12 photo cards. Okay, and this A means S. A S E S. Okay, how many A's are there? 4 types, 4 A's. Okay, and 2 to 10 are called number cards. Okay, how many number cards of each type? 9. So total number cards 9 4s are 36. Out of these, 18 will be black and 18 will be red. So this combination, if you remember in your mind, so any type of question they may say, so you can answer it. So I have given the summary of this all cards. 52 cards, number of types 4, spades, clubs, hearts, diamonds. Each type will be 13. Number of black cards will be 13 into 2, 26. Number of red cards 13 into 2, 26. Number of face 1 1 1 1 4. The number of face card. Face card means photo card. J, Q, K are called face card or photo cards. It will be 3 3 3 3. That is 12. Okay. and number of number cards. So 2 to 10 are called number card. Each type having 9, 9 fours are 36. Clear? So now photo card. How many photo cards are there? 3 fours are 12. ठीक है? So now sometimes they may ask to find the probability of getting photo card of black color, photo card of red color. Photo card of black color is 6, photo card of red color is 6. Okay. Now here also summary, total number of S is what? One type, uh, one of each type. Out of this, 2 are red, 2 are black. This way we can find out. Now here also number cards. So each type will be having 9. Out of these but 36 number cards, 18 is are in black in color and 18 red in color. Clear? Now this is all about the probability. So now I will solve some your textbook question. Let's see pie chart. So here you see a child, whatever the information is given during a day. So already have done it. Okay, 24 hours how he is utilizing it has been shown in the pie chart. Okay, only have written, but degree is not mentioned. I have to write down the degree also. 8 hours, how can I represent 8 by 24? Multiplied by 360, it will be degree, and that degree will be for sleep. That is not shown here. Okay. This number of sleeping hour 8 by 24, 24, then 1 by 3. Clear? After cutting, and now you have to multiply it by 360 degree, it will be degree. So they are converting each part into fraction. After that, pie chart. Now here try this. Gives you a different piece of information about your class. Find the fraction of the circle representing the each type of information. Girls 50% and boys 50% in a school. How to represent it in terms of degree? 50% means 180 degree, 50% means, but how will do it? Eventually girls share is 50%, fraction is 50 upon 100, and what? And degree will be what? 1 by 2 into 360, 80 degree. I can do it, no problem. I can do it here. For this I'm doing it also. You see one circle. Clear? I have to draw 90 degree, 360 degree, 360, 180 degree is clear. Now after that you can add some color, and this one will be, now thereafter you will write down this is boys, this is girls. Okay, you can write down here boys 80 degree, 180 degree, sorry, boys 180 degree. Clear? And here girls 180 degree. You can just put a dot over here to mention. Okay, now what was that question? Walking percentage there. How can you write down transport of school, walking? This, for this we have to perform that activity. Okay, we have to do in what way? I'm just doing it. Just you see, for this I have to draw a rectangular box. Clear? Now divide it this way. Item share Okay, fraction this. So write down item share share fraction and then central angle. Clear? Now divide this part again. 4 items are there na? 4 items, you will divide it. Clear? Now what are the percentages they have given? Walk, cycle, oh sorry, 3 items are the bus. Okay, walk. First one is walk. So write down walk. Walk, cycle, bus. Clear? Walk share is how much? Walk 40%, 20%, 40%. 40, 20, 40. Okay? 40%. 40%. What is percent? 40%. Here 20%, and here also 40%. Clear? Fraction. How can I write down 40%? 40% can be written 40 upon 100. 40 upon 100. Now you can reduce 1 0, so it will be what, 25 by, after cancelling I am getting how much? 5 by 2. If I cut, I am taking pencil, if I cut 1 0 here, 1 0 here, 4 cut by 2, it will be 2, and it is 5. Okay, that means it is coming 2 by 5. Now central angle 2 by 5 multiplied by degree, that means 360. 360. How much it will be? How much it will be? 7 5 ja 35, carry 172 degree. So it is 72 degree. Clear? Now 20%, 20 by 100. Okay, after cancelling I am getting what? 1, this will be 5, that is equals to 1 upon 5. Okay, now degree 1 by 5 multiplied by 360, central angle. Okay, sorry, earlier it was 40% na? So multiplied by 2 here. So 2 after multiplying 70 to 144, sorry, it will be 144. 72 into 2, 144. Clear? This type of mistake should not be there. So it will be 1 4 4 144 degree. So now here also I can cut, it will be 72 degree. Okay, now 40%, 40 upon 100, okay, 0 0 cut. If I cut it by this 2 by 5, that is equals to 2 by 5. Clear? Now 2 by 5 multiplied by 360 degree. Clear? So same way 360 degree, it is coming 144 degree. Clear? So whatever the information is given in terms of percent, I have converted into degree. Clear? Now can you write down now? So you just pause the video. So all thing will be in front of you. You can do it. Now I'm coming to next. I'm not saving it. Next question, same way you can do it. This one. Here also pie chart is given. You have to answer. Answer the following question based on the pie chart given. Okay. Viewers of different TV types channel. Okay. Here informative channels 10% people are watching or trying to get information. News channel being used 15% people. Sports channel 25% people, and entertainment 50%. So which type of program are viewed the most? Obviously entertainment. Entertainment number of people just using it the most. Which two types of programs have number of viewers equal to those watching sports channel? Sports channel is what? 25. Now news plus informative. News plus informative, these two channel will be equivalent to sports channel because it is 25. So now news is 15 and informative is 10. On adding I am getting 25. That means sports channel equivalent to sum of the two channel, that is news and informative. Clear? So this question I have done while explaining this. Chocolate flavor of survey was conducted about the flavor of different type of flavor, chocolate, vanilla and others, 50, 50, 25 and this. You can go through my presentation and you see item, share, fraction, percent, central angle. So 50%, 50 upon 100, 1 by 2 after cutting 360 multiply 180 degree. This is 90, this 90. You can get it. And finally this percent. Okay. Here it is also done, not done. So this is very important question. Now I have done it, I think. Only conversion is there, but question answer is not there. On which item the expenditure was maximum? You see the percent. Which percent is the highest here? Food, 25%. So 25% the expenditure is maximum here. Expenditure on which item equal to the total saving of family? What is the savings? 15%. 15% equals to what? Transport and the education. Sorry, savings will be equivalent to the education for children. Expenditure on which item is equal to the total savings of the family? Savings is 15% equivalent to the 15% of education. This is the question answer. Okay. When pie chart is given, you have to answer it. Now this question I have done. Number of items sold in bakery shop. I have done it. So this information how to convert into percent. Okay. Total I have to find out. Then item, share, fraction, central angle. Okay. I have done it. After that you can draw pie chart and use some different colors. Okay. It will be attractive. Now here also a child draw a pie chart of the following: 8 hours, 26 hours, 4 hours, and I have done in my presentation only how 24 hours being utilized. I can do it here also. You see, circle. Okay, I have to represent each hour here. So you cannot draw here. So take the help of paint. First, we have to draw a box. Okay. Now, here is what? Same way, item or event, share, fraction, and then central angle. Write down item or event, anything you can, event, share, then fraction, then central angle. Right? Now we divide this part into 4 or whatever it is given. Clear? What are the different item? Sleep, school, homework, play, others. Sleep, school, homework, play, others. Sleep, school, play, play, homework, others. Okay, individual part. What is the individual part? 8 hours, 6 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours. 6 hours, 8 hours, 6 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours. 8 hours, 6 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours. So bar is there. Ignore this bar. Now fraction. 8 hours means what? 8 upon, I can use pen here now. It will be better. Okay. 8 hours can be written 8 by 24 as a fraction. Okay. Cut. It is coming 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3 into, very important part, I am telling you, after giving this much of energy, still I am not getting 100% success. All the years, some of the students, they are doing very well, some of the students they are not able to do because of attention. You are not putting attention. You have to give your attention here. After cutting, I am getting 120 degree. That means sleep equivalent to 120 degree. Now school is 6 upon 24. 24 is the total hour in a day. Cut, it will be 4, that is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 into 360, So if I cut, I'm getting 90 only, so that will be equivalent to 90 degree. Here 4 upon 24 cut equals to 1 by 6, 1 by 6 into 100, sorry, into 360. After cutting, I'm getting 60, that equivalents to 60 degree. So it will also be same 4 by 24. What you have to do, since it is same, you cannot leave it like this same. You have to show your calculation. 4 6 1 by 6, 1 by 6 into 360 equals to cut 60 degree. Okay, 2 by 24 multiplied by 360, sorry, multiplication will not be here, I'm little absent minded. So now cut 1 by 12, that equivalents to 1 by 12, 1 by 12 multiplied by 360, 3 12s are 36, equivalent to 30, equivalent to 30 degree. Clear? So information I have converted into what? Degree. 30 degree. Now with the help of this item and the degree, you have to draw a pie chart. How will you do it? What to do? I will draw a circle. Okay, denote its radius. It's a center. Say center is here. Clear? Now draw its one radius. Now place this should be the baseline. Place your protractor here and draw 120 degree. So if I draw 120 degree, suppose with the help of protractor I have drawn and it shows 120 degree. Okay, now this should be the baseline and draw 90 degree. 90 degree is perpendicular, very simple. This is perpendicular to this line, 90 degree, and then 60 degree is for what? Play, and 60 degree, this is 60 degree for play, 60 degree, another 60 degree for sorry, 60 degree will be for play, this 60 degree will be for homework, and remaining this part will be for others. Now add some color here, blue, orange or yellow, and outside you mention the different name. Sleep 120 degree, this is sleep 120 degree, then school 90 degree, then play 60 degree, and the homework 60 degree, and others 20 degree. That will be your complete work. Have you understood? Okay. Now coming to next question. So whatever the information is generated, I can convert here also. Now production of food grains in a state in the year 2001, 16 lakh tons, 60, then 50, 70, 55, 80, and this. Now this information we have to represent within a pie chart. For this, what I told you, when total is not there, I have to write down the total. Otherwise, I cannot draw it. Okay. So total is, you can write down, take the help of pencil. Total is not there. Without total, you cannot find out. Total equals to, you add 165, 80, 80, 60, 165 into 55, 55, 50, 220, 220, 219, 90, 90, 300, 340, and 60, 400 quintals. So total yield of the production is 400 lakh tons. Okay, 60, 120, 120, 190, 190 plus 50, 240, 440, 80, 80, 80, 80, 300 this, and 60. Okay. 165, 165 plus 5, 70, 70 plus 220, 220, 290, 290, 340, 340, 400 quintal. Now this 400 quintal, with the help of these informations, how to conduct, that means production, the event will be 100, 201, 2001, 2002, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 information is there. How can I do it? You see, so I'm not saving this one, new one I'm taking. First we have to draw what, one box. Clear? Now for this one, okay, so you divide into how many part you require, that many part, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now individual item is this. Here you have the year, production in year, in terms of year. Okay, share is what, total I have got in your question. Then fraction, so here fraction and central angle. So like here I'll write down here. Clear? So now the next one will be what, uh, share. Then next one fraction, and then central angle. Central angle. Now here 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005. I think it is like that, 2005, 2006, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, below one I'm writing my next one here, 2006. You have to make one more line here, mind it. Now what is the shear? 60, 50, 70, 55, 60, 50. Now take the help of pen. 60, 50, 60, 50, 70, 55, 70, 55, then next 80, 85, 80, 85. Okay, you can make one more line here. Okay, now what is the fraction? Total what I got it 400, so it will be 60 upon 400. Okay, 60 upon 400, 0 cut 3 after 2 3 400, 1 0 is there, this 0 is cut, and then if I cut it by 2 3 and it is 20, so it is coming 3 by 20. Okay, now central angle 3 by 20 multiplied by 360 degree. Are you getting it? Okay, 0 0 cut, it is 2 18, 18 3 the what 54 degree. Now this is 50 by 400 cut, if I cut it by 5, it is coming 1 by 8, 1 by 8. So now 1 by 8, 1 by 8 multiplied by 360 degree. How will cut? If I cut it by 4, it is 2. If I cut it by 4, 9 ja 90. Now again you cut to 45. That means it is coming 45 degree. Clear? Now here 70 by 400, so only 1 0 cut, it is coming 7 by 40, 7 by 40. Now 7 by 40 into 360, okay, 40 cut 4 9 ja 3 9 ja 7 9 ja 63 degree equilibrium. So while drawing the angle, so using the protector, you have to be very careful. You have to draw 63 degree to represent the production of the crops in the year 2003. So now next is 55 out of 400. So if I cut by 5, 11. If I cut by 5, it is 80. So coming 11 by 80. Clear? So now in terms of degree, 11 by 80 multiplied by 360 degree. Okay, 0 0 cut, force, if you cut by 4, it will be 2 cut by 4, 9. So that is it is 2. 99 by 2, that means 49.5 degree. Be careful, 0.5 degree you have to mention. Clear? Now 80 upon 400, so 1 0 cut, 5 8 ja 40, that is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 360 degree. Okay, I will cut it by 5. 5 7 ja 35, carry 1 to 72 degree, that equivalent to 72 degree. Clear? Now next one is 85 upon 400. Only I can cut by 5, that is 17. It is 80. It will be a very peculiar type of answer. So 17 by 80 multiplied by 360, 0 cut. If you cut by 4, you will get 2. If you cut by 4, you will get 9. So what I will do, 19 and 9 17 ja 153 by 2, that will be equivalent to what, 76.5 76 point, maximum 0.5 you can use. If it is coming 76.14 or whatever it is, you cannot draw. 0.5 maximum you can accept, not more than 0.5. Okay, this. So 6 you have drawn this. After that you will draw a circle, big circle, whatever the 6 information is there. Okay, so now take a center here. Now with the help of this, draw one radius first, and thereafter you draw the angle accordingly. Suppose I am drawing using protector 54 degree. Say this is 54 degree with the using protector. Okay, then you have to draw 45 degree. 45 degree. Suppose this is 45 degree. This is 60 degree. Clear? 63 degree. Now 49.5 degree. So then 72 degree. So it is not command. I have made it handmade, so you're not using the proper diagram, so it should not be 76. Clear? It should not be 76. So this degree we have to little, and now you can. Okay, now again I'm doing it. 45 will be little more. 54 degree, more or less 60. Then 45 degree. 45 will be this much, I think. 45, then 63 degree, then 49 degree, 49 degree, then 72 degree and 76 degree, 72 degree, 76 degree, and using different color. This is clear. Got the idea? At the side you write down, or write down the different items in terms of degree. So this will be your task. Okay, have you understood? If you have not understood, please replay the video again and again. Definitely you will come to know. So now here also total people is given, and the item is the North Indian, South Indian dish, different type of dish, Chinese and others. So this is the item, this is the share, and make it fraction: 30 upon 120, 40 upon 120, 25 upon 120, 25 upon 120. After that you multiply it by 360 degree. Here you can produce one line here. Okay, central angle, central angle 30 upon 30 upon 120 multiplied by 100. Same procedure you apply, you will get the degree. Then you convert into 360 degree one by one. Same daily income groups. These people, this person to I have covered it in my presentation, previous presentation. Income group of workers. Okay, you can go through it. You replay my previous video, then you will come. So whatever I have done, that was the example sum. Now it is question. Question already I have done my presentation. How pie chart help us to get the answer. Okay, semi-classical, classical, it is not mentioned here. You have to find out 20 people will be equivalent to classical music. Total people is not given. You just replay my video, you will come to know how many peoples are there in pie chart. Okay, 360 people, different type of season. So here total number is not given. So if I add, it will be 220, 210, 210 and 360 degree. Okay, after that, so item, season, share is 90/20. This fraction will be 90 by 360 into 360 multiplied by 3, so you can find out the degree. So 60 also here. So whatever it is given, it will be only degree only, 360 out of 360. Okay, you will draw it. So because total part also 360 and you have to multiply it by 360. So 360, 360 gets cancelled. Whatever the part is there, this is the degree. Okay. Same. So blue, green, red, yellow. Number of people, choice of color. Okay. 36 is the total. So fraction will be 18 upon 36. That is half. Half means 180 degree. Multiply by 360. 18 upon 36. Okay. Clear? It will be 1 by 2. Now degree 1 by 2 multiplied 1 by 2 into 360 degree, cut, it will be 180 degree. That means semicircle. Okay, this way the total is given. First item, share, fraction and central angle. Fraction will be 18 upon 360, 9 upon 36, 6 upon 36, 3 upon 36. Clear? So here also degree is there, we have to answer it. Okay, if this mark, this is very important question. Okay, adjoining pie chart gives the marks scored scored in exam by student in Hindi, English, Maths, Social Science and Science. It was in a bar graph representation. Same question is been given there. Now hints: in which subject did the total by students, if the total marks obtained by students is 540, 540 is the total marks scored, and in which subject did the student score 105? How can I find out? So you have, for this you have to find out what is the value of each subject. Mathematics 90 degree. 90 degree what? 90 degree out of 360 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 504. So what will be the value of mathematics 90 degree 90 degree out of 360 degree? Fraction हो गया. And now what is the total mark score? 540. 540. So if I cut it by 90, 0 cut, 540 will be how many degree? 360. Then 0 cut, 9 ja, 4 9 ja 36, 6 9 ja 54, 3 and 2, 3 by 2. Cut here 45, 45, 45 3s are 45 3s are 135. So mathematics equivalence to 135. Okay. Similarly, each subject English 55 by 360 multiplied by 540. 70 by 360 multiplied by 540. By this way, you will be getting the score, individual score of each subject. Okay, total score is given. You have to distribute in 6 subjects. Okay, how many more marks were obtained by the student mathematics than in Hindi? So you have to find out the score of Hindi, and you already got mathematics, and then you find out the difference. Okay, you will not find out the difference in terms of degree. If you cannot do it, then separate calculation will be required. Hindi minus mathematics minus Hindi is the 20 degree. 20 degree out of this, if you multiply, still you will get. No need. So in first question you have to find out individual part of all subjects. Okay, and thereafter you see the question and answer it. Where it is more, where it is less, what is the difference, you can find out. Clear? Now here also you have to draw a pie chart with the help of this. Number of students they are offering their subject, languages given, the hostel, the number of students in hostel, or they are speaking different language they are speaking in the hostel. Hindi 40, English 12, Marathi 9, Tamil 7, Bengali 4, and total they have given, no problem. So with the help of this you can pie chart. Let's see. This is my last pie chart calculation. I am doing it. So for this again, what to do? I have to draw a chart. Okay. Here, this one is language. Share, fraction, central angle. So now language, here the item is the language. We'll write down language, language, share, now this is fraction, this is central angle. Central angle. Okay, now marked it. One, two, three, 4, 5. How many subjects are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, total already given 72. So 5 subject. Clear? 5 subjects are Hindi, English, Marathi. Okay, Hindi, Hindi, English, Marathi, this is Bengali, I think. What is the next language? Tamil, Bengali. Tamil, uh, Tamil, Bengali. Tamil, Bengali. Clear? What is the individual share? Now we'll use pen. It will be a little easier for me. 40, 12, 9, 7, 4. 40, 40, 12, 9, 7, 4. Total was what? Total was what? Total was 9, 12, 7, 4. 49, 72. Fraction 40 upon 72. Central angle 40 upon, will not cut because 72 and 36, 336, 60. Sorry. 40 upon 72, 72 multiplied by 360 degree. Okay, 360 degree. So if I cut it, I'm getting 72. How many times? 5 za. Okay, then it will be 540 za 200 degree. 200 degree. Now this is 12 by 72. You can cut here, equals to 1 by 6. 1 by 6 multiplied by 100, sorry, 360, cut 5, so it is 50 degree. Then 9 by 72, leave it. 9 by 72 multiplied by 360. Okay, if I cut, it is coming 5 9 ja 45 degree. Got it? Now 7 by 72 fraction, then percent central angle 7 by 72 multiplied by 360 degree. So I am using mouse to write, so it will be very difficult. Okay, you have to understand this consequence. So 5 7 ja 35 degree. Clear? Now 4 by 72, here 4 by 72 multiplied by 360, cut 72 5 ja 360. Now 5 4 ja 20 degree. So I have converted the information in terms of degree. Clear? Now what I will draw? I will draw a circle. Denotes its center. Suppose here, draw a radius. Okay. Now using protector, first you draw 200 degree. You draw 50 degree. Don't draw 200. 50 degree. 50 degree. Suppose up to this much is 50 degree as per my construction. Don't have my protector, so 50 degree this one. Then 45 degree. Here I will draw 45 degree. 45 degree. Then 35 degree. 35 degree. Clear? Then 20 degree. 20 degree. Clear? So whatever portion is left, that will be for 200. So this is 200 degree. Use your color 200. So this one is clear, and then you mark define. So more or less these are same color coming. Okay. This way you can represent. This is the complete pie chart for this, and outside you write down what does it represent. This 200 represent what? Hindi speaking. Clear? So now coming to next question. So probability already I have told you what is the probability, what are the liking, not liking. So how to draw probability also. So probability related question very simple. A spinning tool A B C D. So what is the total outcome here? Total outcome is 5. Out of this A will be 2. So probability of 2 will be A will be 2 by 5. Okay, as a spinning wheel. List the outcome. Outcomes are A, B, C, D. Okay, and A, B, T. Tossing a coin. Probability will be head or tail. When a die is thrown, list the outcome. Already I have done this question. Take an example. Prime number in a dice is what? 2, 5, 3, 5. Prime number not prime 1, 4, 6. Number greater than 5 only one, that is 6. Number not greater than 5 means below 5 and below 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Outcomes they are asking, not to find a probability. So probability of the pointer stops at D. So question number 1, D. So how many D's are there? 1 and total outcome is 5, 1 by 5. Okay. What is the probability? Probability of getting an S from well support deck of 52 mm. Just have discussed how many S are there? 4 S out of 52. So after cutting it is 2, 24, no sorry, 4, 13 ja. Again you calculate, I have written when cut it 13. So answer is 1 by 13. Probability of getting S. Probability of getting red apple. So here you see apple. How many apples are there? R. 4 R's there. Okay. So 4 out of 7. 4 by 7. 4 by 7 is for red apple. Okay. Red apple. Probability of red apple is 4 by 7. So numbers 1 to 10 are written on a 10 separate slips. Okay, one slip, one number is one slip, kept in a box and mixed 12. One slip is chosen out box without looking it. What will be the probability of number 6? How many 6 are there? 1 by 10. Getting a number less than 6. How many numbers are less than 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 by 10. Okay, this is question number 1. This is question number 2. After cutting it, I am getting 1 by 2. Question number 3. getting a number greater than 6. Greater than 6 means 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 by 10. After cutting I am getting 2, 5, that is equivalent to 2 by 5. Getting a digit number, one digit numbers are what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So one digit numbers are 9 is the favorable outcome and total outcome is 10. Okay, you cannot cut. So now if you have a spinning wheel with three green sectors, blue sector, red sector, and what is the probability of getting green sector? Three green sector, one blue, that is total is 5. Out of 5, green is how much? 3. 3 upon 5. Total probability, green sector is 3, blue sector is 5, red sector is 5. The total outcome is 5. Out of the 5, your green sector's probability is 3 by 5. Okay, and what is the probability of getting non-blue sector? What is the meaning of non-blue sector? Leaving blue, you have to take all. So non-blue sector will be, this is 1. Non-blue sector 3. You have to count green, you have to count red, that is 4 by 5. Okay, 4 by 5. What is, find the probability of the even question number given 2. 2, what? Even given 2. 2 is what? Probability of this prime number. How can I find out? What is the probability of a prime here? How many prime number is there? 3, 2, 3, 5. So in a dice 3, there is 3 prime numbers is there. 3 by 6. After cutting, I am getting, when cancelling will be not there, no need. So it will be 1 by 2. So now each number will not a prime number. That means this is also 3 by 6. Not a prime number in a dice. Not a this. Cut 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. And a number greater than 5, that is only one number is there, that is 6. One number is there, 1 by 6. A number not greater than 5. What is the meaning not greater than 5? That means 5 and below. How many numbers are there? 5 by 6. Okay, 5 4 3 2 1. If I count, 5 numbers will be there. This is all about today's work. Understood? Is there any doubt? Okay. So this is all about today's revision class. I have finished your chapters data handling. Still, if you have any doubt in your mind, you can ask to me. Okay, I will clear your doubt. Till then, bye bye students. Our next chapter will be what? That will decide later on. Okay.